Imagine this. You step out of your car and notice a troubling sight, a puddle of mysterious fluid forming beneath it. Your heart sinks as you realize something might be wrong with your vehicle. What could this puddle signify? And what should you do about it? Discovering a puddle of fluid under your car is often a distressing moment for any vehicle owner. It's a sign that something could be amiss with your vehicle's internal workings. But fear not, as understanding the color, consistency, and location of the fluid can provide valuable clues about the underlying issue. Identifying the fluid. The first step in addressing this situation is to determine the type of fluid leaking from your car. The color and consistency can offer vital hints. Clear fluid. If the fluid appears clear and odorless, it's likely just water from condensation generated by your air conditioning system. While this is usually harmless, excessive water could indicate a clogged drain tube that needs attention. Red or pink fluid. A reddish or pinkish fluid is often indicative of a leak in the transmission system or power steering. Both issues require prompt attention to prevent further damage and ensure safe driving. Green or orange fluid. These colors typically signal a leak in the coolant system. Coolant leaks can lead to overheating and engine damage if left unaddressed. It's crucial to locate and fix the source of the leak to avoid costly repairs down the road. Brown or black fluid. Brown or black fluids may indicate leaks in the engine oil or brake system. Engine oil leaks can lead to engine damage if not addressed promptly, while brake fluid leaks compromise your vehicle's braking ability, posing a severe safety risk. Regardless of the type of fluid leaking from your car, it's essential to take immediate action. Inspect the source. Carefully examine the location of the puddle to determine where the fluid is coming from. This can help pinpoint the problem area and guide your next steps. Seek professional help. For complex issues or if you're unsure about the cause of the leak, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose the problem accurately and provide effective solutions. Regular maintenance. Preventive maintenance, including regular fluid checks and servicing, can help prevent leaks and ensure your vehicle's longevity. Schedule routine inspections to catch potential issues early and address them before they escalate. Are you facing a similar dilemma with your car? Don't fret. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on car maintenance and troubleshooting. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Together, let's keep our vehicles running smoothly and safely on the road.